Meet the JBL Endurance Zone, an open-ear sport headphone for powerful sound and situational awareness. The ergonomic ear hook design makes it lightweight, secure, and comfortable. Time to unbox. Inside, you will find the quick start guide, the earbuds, and charging case. Everything you need to get started. The first time you use your Endurance Zone, place the earbuds into the charging case. The earbuds are ready to pair via Bluetooth when their LEDs start blinking blue. Now you can find the earbuds listed on your device's Bluetooth list to make the connection. Wondering how to wear the earbuds? Place the ear hook over your ear and then turn it backwards. This angle provides the best sound experience with minimal sound leakage. With an IP68 rating, it can handle water, dust, and sweat without worry. The four beamforming mics effectively capture your voice while suppressing noise like wind and movement, so you can go anywhere, anytime. Control your music with simple taps. Tap once to play and pause, twice to skip a song, or 3 times to go back one song. Personalize your sound with the JBL Headphones App. You can adjust the EQ settings, customize gestures, and activate Pulse Dry. When Pulse Dry is enabled, it will vibrate all the moisture out of the acoustic drivers. Are the batteries completely empty? Place the earbuds inside the charging case. With just 10 minutes of charging, you get up to 3 hours of playtime. 2 hours of charging gives you a full battery and up to 32 hours of combined battery life. You can recharge the charging case using the USB-C port on the back. Feel the beat, sense your surroundings. JBL Endurance Zone.